The lavender in front of the studio is looking really lovely at the moment. Diane has been sitting outside sketching it this morning before it gets too hot and we all have to scurry for cover inside. This lavender plant is about 10 years old now. It was the first thing we planted just after the studio was finished. Last year I gave it a good pruning. Lavender has a reputation for getting woody and then stopping flowering, stopping growing, unless you prune it regularly. Well, this one was not pruned regularly for many years, but we seem to have managed to keep it going and get it back into something not too shabby. The flowers are just coming out, so it's lovely to paint at the moment actually, because it's mostly buds with some flowers fully open, gorgeous colour. The bees haven't discovered it yet, but they'll be all over it very soon. But the flowers are on their characteristic long stems, and the little florets are in sixes around, and you can see, well, on that one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little rows, and then one further down, 6 little purple florets, each sitting in their own little green case, and then a long stem, and then leaves in pairs, and then a sort of bushy sense near the bottom. And the overall impression of the plant, if you come further back, is very much that characteristic green with a purple haze at the top. Gorgeous plant. It's going to be flowering for months now. And these ones over here are its progeny. And this one here is in quite stony ground, so it's growing differently, much less bushy, a bit more straggly, but that's pretty too when it gets going. I hope you've found this little look at lavender useful, and if you'd like to watch the tutorial of Diane painting it, just check in the description below, we'll put a link in there. Bye!